lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's video we are going to be making some press-ons. Nice and easy, simple, yada yada yada. So I actually got the inspiration from these posts here. So the original post that I did find, the post that I found was on Kira Skies, and then I found the actual artist that done the design, so I did post up both so they can have credit because this is where the inspiration did come from. So right now I am just sticking some double-sided sticky tape onto my nail stand. Usually I use blue tack, but I've seen this in Christina Couture's videos, and I just thought I'll give it a go. I'll see how good the sticky tape is. So the sticky tape does work, but this stand is very wide for smaller nail tips, so it was a bit of a pain. That was the only issue, but the double-sided sticky tape actually works better than blue tack, in my opinion. So now I'm just going to buff away the shine. Yes, I said shine, not natural shine. Obviously, I'd already picked out the sizes of my tips. Then I apply a even layer of Model 1's base coat and cure for 60 seconds. So this set didn't actually take me that long. I'd say about 45 minutes maybe. And it's just a simple design, I guess. I am really bad at drawing and painting. I am not an artistic talented person in any way, shape or form. I can't draw. My mum can, my sister can, I can't. But this video will show you how simple it is to draw just simple, easy designs. So I'm also going to be using the Petals 909 pink. It's like a blush pink, and then these glow in the dark gels that I bought off of Amazon. I can't pronounce the name. It's like Vrenmols or something. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that. So I go in with 2 coats on each nail, and I apply the glow-in-the-dark blue to the thumb, the index, and the pinky, and then I go in with that 909 Petals gel on the middle finger and the ring finger. Like I said, I do 2 coats of each, and I cure for 60 seconds between each coat. Then once that is done, I go in with the Model 1's top coat and a cure again for 60 seconds. I think it's only a 30-second cure, but I wanted to make sure it was fully cured. And it's a non-wipe top coat. You will need that because when we go in on the middle and the ring finger, you want to have a dry and non-sticky layer so you can do your nail art. So I'm just going to let you watch this application, guys, and I'll be back when we start doing the flowers and stuff. I'm back, guys. Hello. So now I'm just going to put a blob of each colour into my palette here. This palette I actually just bought for like, I think it was £1.50 in like a big set of kids paint things from a charity shop. My kids don't use it because they've got their own little like palettes and stuff, so I thought this was ideal for me to use for my gels. So I just stuck it to the side of me there, as you can see, and I have fully cured in between each layer and now applied the top coat. So now I'm going to go in with my detailed brush that I bought from Amazon, and I'm just going to paint the petals onto each nail. So with this, what I've done is I basically just very gently, you don't have to put too much pressure. Like with this, like a blob, I hope this makes sense. There's a blob on the brush. You just want to put it on the nail, and then just, as you can see, I just move the brush a little bit and pull it back to make it like a point at one end and like a rounded area at the other end. I hope that makes sense. Kind of like a teardrop, I guess. These aren't perfect. Actually, before I put the stones on, they kind of looked a bit like starfish. You know those flowers in SpongeBob SquarePants? I'll put a picture on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. But that's what my flowers reminded me of, was those SpongeBob SquarePants flowers. So anyway, you just seen what I was doing. In between each colour, I basically take some kitchen roll and I just wipe off the colour off of my brush, and then I go in to the next colour and I do exactly the same process, and I repeat this for each flower on the nail. Sorry, nails, because there's 2 accent nails. It's really easy, guys, and you just need a steady hand. I am supporting my hand with my pinky finger, and trust me, this actually works really well. It keeps your hand more steady. Like, I don't shake, I've got quite a steady hand anyway, but this really made it easier for me. And don't forget to take your gel palette away from your light when you're curing, because you can cure that gel even if it's close by. It doesn't even have to be in the lamp. It can cure when it's close by, so just be careful of that. So I then went around the edges, and I also put some like a few half flowers. That one I didn't like, so I wiped it off. I only flash cured. This nail, I drew each flower and then I flash cured for 10 seconds. The next nail then, I just painted them all on. So you can do either way. If you're worried that you might smudge your design, just flash cured, just hold it in place and it will do the job. But yeah, I just go around the edges now and just paint on a few half flowers, a couple of petals here and there. So yeah, it's a pretty easy and simple design, guys. I really enjoyed doing it as well, and I really like them. But you can do this any colour. You can use any gel polishes. You can use pastels, neons, glow in the dark like I did. You can use dark colours if you want to. But I was really happy with this set. So I'm just going to let you watch my application of my flowers, and I will be back in a bit when we start sticking on the rhinestones and stuff. So see you guys in a bit. back again, guys. Hello. So now I'm just going in with the Petals matte top coat. I do an even layer of this over all of the nails. Of course, I did cure for a full 60 seconds, both of the nails with the flowers on before doing this. And then I cure for a further 60 seconds because I just put the matte top coat on. So the rhinestones I got off of Wish. I actually had them, I showed them in my AliExpress and eBay haul about a month ago, and now I'm going in with the Macart Rhinestone Glue in a tube, and I'm just putting little dots where the centers of the flowers would be. Are they, I don't know what you call the center of a flower. I should probably check that. I'm sure there is a name because it's on the tip of my tongue, but I actually can't remember. So anyway, I bought these neon stones because they glow in the dark. And I've been dying to use them, so I finally had an excuse to use them today. So now I'm just picking up random colours. That one was too big, so I took it off and I put a smaller one on. But I literally just plopped random different colours into each centre of the flower. You can do this with normal... Well, with any stones. You could even do this with sequins. It is completely up to you. You can also just leave it if you really want to, or if you don't have any rhinestones or glue, you can just go in with a blob of like, just take a toothpick or a dotting tool and just dip it into a gel and then put it in the centre of the flowers, guys, and you'll have a complete set. I think this is really simple and easy, and it's really lush, and it's great for summer, spring. Well, you can wear whatever nails you want any time of the year. So then I stuck them into the light, and there is a bit of a preview of the stones glowing. And I cured for 60 seconds again to make sure that the glue was hard and the nails were on. And now I'm just going up and down the sides so that I can show you that when sometimes your nails will be a bit misshapen. You just got to file the sides off and clean up and stuff like that. And it was really easy to do, and you know, and really quick, and they look tidy and stunning, and I'm so happy with this set, guys. So my finger, by the way, my middle finger actually bends, and I keep forgetting to glue it on like sideways a little bit so my fingers look straight. I hope that makes sense. So it's not actually crooked, it's just the way my finger bends. And here is what they look like when they glow in the dark. How amazing are they, guys? I love that blue. Oh, it's so pretty. So I do show you outside as well, and I give you a preview outside, so you get like a different variety of what colours and in different lightings. But we are coming close to the end now, guys, so I am going to love and leave you. I really hope you enjoyed. I know I enjoyed doing this set. If you did like, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. Oh, look at that colour. Oh, I just want to do a blue set now. But yeah, guys, I hope you are staying safe. Keep on smiling, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys. You know.